welcome to this channel. Today's tutorial shows on how we can do Google login and check if the user has already been logged in to Google sign in before. So let me select my account. I'm going to start with selecting an account that has already been created previously. So I'm going to select an account that's already been created. So this is an old user, so let's log out to the old user. Then I'm going to log in an account that has not been created. So we can see this account has not been created, so it gives us new user. So when we click the logout button, it logs out. Let's see this in sketchware by owning this. So I've enabled my firebase library. So I'll show us how we can fully set up our firebase account for Google login. So I created these two components, Google login called GL and firebase auth auth. You can name it anything. So with that being said and done, in our onCreate, I created a string. In our onCreate, I created a string. Called ID. I created a string called ID. I will store our web ID. Then I created a custom variable called Google sign in options GSO. So it will serve as this. So I did this and this. So these three blocks, they are available here. I would share the JSON file. I will keep the JSON file of the block inside the project asset file. So we can see this and we can see this. So next thing we do is Google sign in. When we add the Google sign in view, Google sign in button, a text view and a logout. So we come here and we make sure we add our Google button list. Now we first of all select on account cancelled and on account picker. So now in our on account picker, we are just going to do this checks for error while picking a Google account. So it checks for error and this, then this. So as you can see, excuse me, then we click a more block. We create a more block called extra. Inside of our extra more block, we are now going to add all these blocks. We're going to add these blocks on start. So next we use our Google firebase auth. Then we check if the user was successfully logged in. We check if user was successfully logged in. Then we do login success, else login failed. So we're now going to use this block which I created. If it's new user, if it's new firebase auth user, that means it's new user, else is old user. So now in our logout, in our firebase logout, we add this. sign out for firebase auth, our firebase auth. Then we come here, we write GL. Why are we writing GL? GL is the name of our firebase login project, but sketchware made a mistake by naming it firebase Google login. The rename is Google signing client, so adding it like this won't work. So we just have to write GL, because GL is the name of the component. Then we select our context. Then we check if the user has been logged out successfully. If it's logged out, we toast logged out successfully, else unable to sign out. So that is all. I will be sharing this project. Please subscribe.